Please refer. Okay, sir.
So before that, what is that? One more class. Now to performing what is that? A database operation, which now till now which CRUD repository we see that, right? CRUD repository interface we seen that, right? But now let's come here, come in the repository here, right? Repository. So we seen that Control Shift T I'm searching, right? So one more its implementation classes interface is there. Now what is that? Paging and what sorting repository now, guys. Okay, paging and what sorting repository, and it's extending what is that? Code repository only, right? It means what is that? Child interface of what? Child interface of what? Paging and sorting repository now, right? So now to perform what is that? Paging and sorting, we will take this interface. Inside this interface, how many methods are there now, guys? Two methods are there. How many methods are there? Sort, find by all, right? Sorting and what is that? Paging, find all method are there. Two methods are there, right? Okay. So now what we are going to do now? Paging and sorting repository is there. Now copy this method and this interface. Copy this interface, and what we will do now? We will see the next level discussion now. Based on this interface, we will perform the operation, guys. Okay. So now what interface I'm taking? Paging and sorting repository interface is there. It's a super interface is which one now, guys? It's a super interface is which one now? Come on.
Repository.
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 Yeah, it's a code repository.
JPA
Super means whatever method is there in what till now the whatever method we applied, those method also will be there inside this. What is that? Paging, right? Paging, and between these two interface, which relation is there now, guys?
Easy relation.
Easy relation is there, right? Easy relation is there. Now fine now. So okay, so what we are going to do now? See this in what is that? Paging and sorting repository. Inside the paging and sorting repository, how many methods are there now, guys? Copy this one, right? Find all in the sorted format, right? What is that? Sort and the sort is there, right? So now fine now, guys. So let's move on. Okay. So first, what is that? We will understand about the meaning of what this interface. What is that meaning of this interface? Using what is that? We can define, right? We can define our what? Repository. We can define our repository interface. Interface using what? Paging and what? Paging and sorting, right? Sorting. Paging and what? Sorting. Paging and a sorting repository using what? Repository. And also what is that? What it is? Subtype of what? Subtype of what? Code repository. Code. Code repository, right? So it is also the child of what? Code repository. So now using this one, right? Using this one, what we will do now, guys? We will do now? How many what in this interface, right? In this interface, how many methods are there? Two methods are there, right? First method is what? See this, okay? See this, okay? First method is what? Iterable find all sort method is there, right? Next one is what now? Next one is what? Paging find pageable, right? Paging find pageable method is there, right? Two methods are there, right? Two methods are there. Fine now, guys. Two. What is that? Two methods are there, right? So now let's perform the operation by using this method, right? By using this method, which kind of operation we can do it now? In our what is that? Just think about that. What again? I'm going to take what is that list of what is that? Just one I'm taking, one here I'm taking. What is that? A I'm taking, right? Just dummy data I'm giving, guys. Okay, ready? This is the fine now. Use the chat box, guys. If I'm taking this kind of data, it's fine, right?
Yeah, fine.
Because here we have need to understand the just concept only, right? Just concept only. Guys, our next discussion, because this is a small small concept I have need to explain. I can't leave this small right small concept. Just okay, then pagination we will implement, right? But in this interface only we will implement the pagination also, right? Okay, so here what is that? 2 is there. Here I'm taking what? B data, right? B data, and here what I'm taking, what is that? 4 point, this one. Okay, now another one is what? Another one is what? 3, and here what? C I'm taking, right? C, and what? 4 point is there, right? 5.0, anything, any dummy data, right? Now what? 5, 4 is there, 4 is there, and here what is the C and a D I'm taking, what is that? D and taking, and means what? 6.0 I'm taking, right? This is our data now. Okay, this is our what? Data in the database. Fine guys, come on. Okay, so these are the data is there in the database. So now our concept is what? To find by in the sorted format. I need to perform what is that? Sorting in the database, right? In the database. Oh, 1 minute guys. Okay, now I'm changing. A is there here, right? Here B is there. Here C is there now. Here I'm taking B, and here I'm taking C. Here I'm taking C, right? Here I'm taking C. D is there, right? Means the data is mixed now, right? Data is mixed now. Okay, fine. Now data is mixed now. 1 2 3 means A B C D is there, but this is the what is the not sequential. A C B D is there, like this our data is there now, right? Like this data is there now. Correct guys, come on.
Yes.
Okay, so fine now guys. So here, come here, right? Come here, where in the employee repository. Here what we will do now? We will take the which interface now guys? Which interface? Paging.
Paging.
And what? Paging and
Sorting.
sorting.
and sorting repository.
Here we will pass what? Employee model class, and what here is what? ID, right? Integer. Okay, integer we are taking now. Okay, so these things is completed now guys. So next one is what we will do now? Next one is what? Okay, so that's it. Okay, but because paging and a sorting interface only do both methods are there, right? So what is that? Multiple records are there, right? Multiple records are there, but what I want to what? This data in the ascending and the descending order, right? Ascending and the descending order, right? So what we will do now? We want this data in the what? Ascending and a descending order and a sorted format, right? And what is that? Sorted format. These kind of operation, if we want to perform, what is that? Then for that purpose we will use which method now guys? Which method we will use it now? We will use what?
Find all.
Find all
Find all
with what is that? Sorted format, right?
Find all sorted format.
So shall we perform the operation now, and we can see it now how we can perform this operation now guys? Come on.
Yes.
Okay, so fine now. So let's perform it now, right? Let's perform it. So here what I'm going to do now, I'm commenting these things. Okay, I'm commenting this area now. Fine guys, let's move on. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so what is that? So first what we will do now, because sorting, right? Sorting we are using, right? Where here, yeah, because its argument is sorting, and its return type is what? Sorted class object is there, right? Sorted class object is there. Now come in the repository only, right? What is that? Paging repository. Its argument is what? Sorted class. So we have need to take what is the sorted only, right? Sorted class is there, right? In the sorted class, one method is there. What is that? Where it is now? Sorted by, sorted off. 1 minute guys. Control F. Sorted and sorted for 1 minute guys. 1 minute, I want to see that method where it is. stream is there, by there, sorted by what is that argument, and it will return the sorted unsorted result. Yeah, this one only, right? We'll check. Open, it's a implementation class. Control shift. 1 minute, guys. Control shift O. Control O. DSC, these are the enums are there. Declare. Yeah, sorted by this method, right? Sorted by this method. Okay, correct. Copy this one, right? We will take this one. Okay, come here now. Okay, so what we will do now, guys? So we will take what is that sort class object, right? Sort class object, right? Inside the sort class object, what we will do now? Sort, yes. ORT, right? Sort. What's that? No. Yeah, sort is correct only, right? Yes. ORT. Sort. Where it is now. Spring framework. Yeah, this is the package, right? Okay. Sort, right? Sort. Okay, fine. So let's take this class now. Sort. Come here. Sort. What is that? Demo. Domain, right? Sort. Okay. Sort S1 I'm taking. Equal to new. New. I'm creating the object of what? No, not new. Means what is that? Sort by. We will take what is that? Sort. Sort dot, right?
Sort.
We will sort dot. What is that? By. We will take what? By, right? Its argument is order now, right? Order by. Okay, no problem. Okay, so inside that, what is that? Come inside that. Based on that, which one we have need to sort it? We will sort based on that name ID, right? Name, right? Based on the name, we will sort it to come inside that data runner class, right? And just what we will do now, pass. Okay, after passing that, what we will do now? Come here, right? Come here. So what we will do now? Find all, right? Find all, because one method we learn in the last, right? So if we want to find all data, right? What we can do it now? We will call the repo dot what?
Find all.
Yes, find all with what is that? Pageable
Parameter.
argument. Pageable argument.
S1.
And what we will do
Sort.
now? We will
Sorted
pass
one.
this what? Sort argument inside this. Okay, then what this method will return now, guys? What it will return it now? It will what is that?
Imply.
Hmm?
It will return imply. Then
Iterable.
Iterable, Ravi, iterable.
Iterable.
imply.
It will return what? A list of what?
Imply.
EMP. Control shift O. Oh, sorry. It will return what? Iterable, right?
Iterable, Ravi, iterable.
Yes. Now fine. Okay. So what we will do now? EMP dot what? For each condition we will call. For each condition in sysout. Sorry. Right? Okay, now let's run the application and we will see. See this, what is that? Ascending order, right? Ascending order, we are it's our record is sorted or not, guys? A, B, C, D. Come on.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Come in, come in.
Yeah, what query is generating now, guys? Order by class, right? Order by you learn in the Oracle database or not? Ascending order by default is which one is there now? Come on.
Ascending order.
By default, ascending order.
Ascending order.
And our database.
Ascending order.
In the database, which kind of data is there? A, B, C, D, right? A, C, B, D. But what we are getting the result now?
ACBD.
What we are
ABCD.
getting now? A, B, C, D, right?
A, B, C, D.
Using
Yes.
Yes,
our
ascending
Java
order.
using our Java application, we are able to sort the data or not, guys?
Yes, sort.
Sort, right?
Yes, sort.
Okay, so no, what is our question is no, Ravikant, this is the ascending order. I don't want ascending order. I want what? I want what? Descending order now. I want the data in the descending order, right? Descending order. Then what we will do now? Here, what is that? Here, what we will do now? Here we will use what? Here we will use what? One direction, right? Direction dot, what is that? Enum is there, right? Enum is there. What is that? DESC, descending order. I want this one of what? In the descending order, right? See this observe in the console. What is that? A, B, C, D is there, right? Come on, guys.
Yes. Yes, ABCD.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I want what is that? No, I want the result what? DCBA.
CBA.
Okay, means what is
Yes.
that? Descending order. That is called what? Descending order, right? Now let's run the
Descending.
application. Run as what?
Sir, after descending,
Ravi, error.
Okay. Okay, here comma will be there, right?
Comma. Yes, comma.
Now here run the application. Now what we are getting the result now, guys? DCBA. This is the descending order or not?
Yes, sure, absolutely.
Yes, descending order.
Okay, something you people are learning. Good things are just time pass now, guys.
No. We are learning as such thing.
Is this is the really what real time things? Okay, guys, these are the real time things. Okay, who is the really working in the company? Those people only can what? Okay, so let's move on. Okay, now what is that pagination, right? Let's understand what is that pagination. Okay, so we seen that what is the meaning of pagination now, guys? Okay, if we expose all data in one page, right? Its burden will be there or not? All page means what is that? In a single time, what is that? To loading all data in a single page means what is that? Maybe if internet is not working properly, that is a very horrible and that is a very bad programming or not?
Yes.
Okay, that is the very bad programming, right? So for that, what is that? What we are doing now, that in the application, right? We are exposing some data, right? Some of the pages in the application. So for that, what we are implementing now? Pagination. What we are implementing now? Pagination, right? In the application, we are implementing the pagination concept, right? So fine now, guys. So So means what is that? So just think about that. What we are doing now, selecting what is that all record, right? Selecting what query we are performing now. Select what is that star from what is that? What is the table name? Employee, right? Based on this query, what we are doing now, we are selecting all record, guys. Okay, we are selecting what? All record, right? Yeah. Hey, what's happening now? How we can run it?
Left side we had green.
Execute it like this. Okay. So see this, what is that? All record we are getting, right? All record, okay? So just think about the in the real time, guys, okay? In the real time, lakh records will be there, right? If lakhs record, if we are exposing in the single page, right? It's a really great things. It's really great things now, guys.
No, it's not.
No, Ravi. No, Ravi.
Not good.
So for that,
Not
what
good.
we are doing now, so for that, if we are implementing these kind of things in application, right? If we are implementing these kind of things in the application, so what some pages we have need to export. After then, what we will do now? Another, unmute yourself, someone. Okay, so next, what is that? Next page we will expose what in the next page, right? Like clicking, what is that? 1, 2. What is that? 1, 1, 1, 2, like this. If we are giving these services to end user, this is nothing but what, guys? Pagination, right? This is nothing but what? Pagination in the application. Here we will see based on that console only, right? Here what we will do now, based on the console only we will see that, okay? But in whenever we will there in what Spring Boot MVC, there we will use the same concept using what is that? This client browser, right? Client side also, right? We will implement the same things, but this is the useful for you people. Everyone concentrate on this. This is the too much good concept. I'm going to explain it now, guys. Okay. So now fine now, guys. Okay. So okay.
Ravi,
Hmm.
can I ask one question?
Yeah, sure. Ask.
Yeah. Sorry for interrupting. In
Sure,
between.
no problem.
Yeah. So actually, collections class is there, or means sorting as a descending and ascending order.
Hmm.
So we can use like this collections class. Means utility methods is given
That is
by the
the
collections class.
no. So if these operation for what purpose? Database operation, right? DAO layer. If you want to performing, if already these facilities given by Spring, then why you will enter in those area? Collection. If you whenever you will write the logic, our own business logic, if need, then you have to use what is that collection class APIs now. Okay. If already those facilities there in Spring, right? Spring Boot, why you will use it? Those those code. No need,
Okay.
right?
Please
Already
go ahead. Please go
we
ahead.
have in Spring Boot. Why you are learning in Spring Boot framework? To what? Reducing your burden, right? To reducing what? Our burden, right?
Yes.
So no need. Okay. So but
Okay.
without those concept, your day will not come. Okay. Don't think about that you are learning Spring Boot, then you don't have need to learn core Java. Core Java, if core Java is good, then if in future if you get any framework, you can able to work it now.
Yeah. That's why I am asking you. Means here,
Yes.
where is there and here is different.
Yes. So what is that
Okay,
loading? What is that loading? 1 minute, guys. Yeah, loading.
Ravi, one
Yes.
question can I ask?
Sure.
Which under the hood, which sorting algorithm it will be used to sort the data? And what about we are just ordering, right? The data by the Oracle. So which one is preferable? So let's say if we have millions of record, in that case, what could be the impact on the performance also?
No, just I'm saying that based on that this method, guys. Okay, based on this method, what I did now, sorted class is there, right? Sorted class means what? Explicitly what we are doing, that we are like what is that? I forget that query. How to like select star from employee, right? Select star from employee. and what is that order? Order by what? Order by what?
E-name.
E-name, right?
E-name.
E-name. Order by E-name. And what is that? DSC, right?
DESC. Yeah, DESC.
DESC. Correct query, right? This query is
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay.
S.
Ha.
Or select.
Ha.
Please select.
So for that, what is that? What we are doing now? Explicitly, we are writing this query, right? Explicitly, we are writing this query, and based on this query, what we are doing now, execute the query, right? Whenever we are executing the query, these operation will perform. And the same like using what is that Spring repository, what we are doing now, this operation we are performing explicitly in the database, right?
Sort that.
So same like
Sorting the data.
in the paging and the sorting repository interface, right? Spring is given already class. Okay, hey programmer, don't use any other side things. Okay, I'm giving to you, use these things. Okay, use these things. So whatever things we are doing here, right, based on these classes we are doing in the DAO layer. Means what is that? Not a DAO layer. In the real time service layer will be there. In the service layer utilizes those things. Okay, whatever your algorithm is there, whatever query is there, leave it. Okay, concentrate on the query, and if need this kind of operation, if you have need in the future, just use this concept. That's it. Come on.
Okay, Ravi,
Okay.
understood.
Okay.
Okay, so now find it. Okay, so find it, guys. So this operation be completed, right? This operation also be completed now. Okay, fine now, guys. So let's move on in the pagination, right? So what is that? At the same time, what is that? All row means what is that? The data will be stored in the database. What is that? This is the one row, this is the two row, this is the second row, third row, right? This is the row based, right? If we expose this data in a single page, in what? In data in the client side, then what is that? Page will become what? Heavy page will become what now, guys? Heavy page will become, right? So it will take more
Yes.
time or not to loading this page on what client side? It will take much time or not, guys?
Yes. Burden is reduced.
Burden will increase on what?
Reduce.
Client side. Client side,
Yes.
our what? Burden will increase, and what it will our application performance will reduce. So for that, what JPA people is given? Okay, no problem, developer. I'm giving what is that? Pagination concept in what? Database, right? Just utilize those things and you can perform it. Okay, so what is that? Row from database, right? Database table, DB table, right? DB table to UI screen may be, right? May not, what is that? May not be good. Sometime. Then what is using which method, right? If we perform what is that? What method we are performing? Find all. If we perform what is that? Find all method, right? Leave it. Find all method. What record we are getting? All record. In the last, right? Last discussion. What is that? Whenever we are performing what is that? Find all method. Total. What we are getting? Total record, right? So same like I'm saying that. What is that? Here what is that? To find using what is that? Find all method, right? It will return what is that? List of what is that? List of what? Employee data, right? Employee data means what is that? This is the not good sometime. This is the not good sometime. If huge amount of what? If huge amount of what data is there, then it's not good, right? Internally this method what it's using now, guys? Internally execute. Internally execute which SQL query this method is executing? Select star from EMP, right? This query is return executing. Based on this query, what we are getting? Total result we are getting, right? Total we are getting. So if a table has what? Few rows, then it's good. In the table, right? In the table, what is that? Less amount of data is there, then good now. Okay, then good now, guys. But what is that? if a table has what more number of rows, then loading data, what is that, make client device slow. Client device means what? Browser, right? Browser will become what? Slow now. So such process is handled by using what is that? Pagination. So what is that? Such process we can, if we reduce the burden of what is that, client side. So what kind of operation we can perform now, guys? Pagination now, right? What kind of operation will we perform? Pagination. The good example just I given. What is that? Pagination about that. See, I search what India, but how much record is there? Million of record there, right? So in that, what is that?
Yes.
Which concept Google people is implemented now, guys?
Pagination.
Pagination, right? So see this. Actually,
Pagination concept.
you people are able to visualize or not where the pagination we will implement in the real time now, guys. Come on.
Yes. We visualize
Yes,
it.
sir.
You people can visualize it or not, guys?
Yes, we are
Yes,
visualizing
we
it.
can see.
Okay, so now fine. Okay. Right, so come inside that what? Come inside that what we seen that. Okay. What is that? Spring. Okay. So where it is? Come in the repository now. Right. This is there, right? One minute. System it's not giving the suggestion now. I want to show the declaration, guys. Okay. Okay. So pagination is there, right? What is that? Second. See the second method, guys. Okay. See the, and its return type is what? Page. It's taking input as what? Pageable, right? Pageable, and a return type is what now, guys?
Page.
Page, right?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, good, Joey. Good. Now, I started. Don't worry about that. Still, I just now I started. What is that pagination? Okay, you can deep dive in the session. No problem. Good. Very good. Okay. So what is the return type it now, guys? What is the return type? Page, right? And what is the input now? Pageable, right? What is the input now? Pageable is there, right? And its return type is what? Page, right? So now, just think about that. So just think about that. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to give the visualization here. Please concentrate on this guy. I will make pagination. I will make the pagination too much easy to you people. In the one single shot, you people will get the clear picture about the pagination, right? So now fine, guys. So see this what? This is the, just think about that. This is the database is there, right? This is the database is there. Okay, in the database, this is the, just think about that emp. What is that? Tab is there, right? Emp tab is there. Inside this emp tab, please mute yourself. Someone is muted, right? Satish and Mayank, please mute yourself, guys. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, Mayank. Yes.
Yes, your name.
Huh?
Hello.
Yes, Mayank, tell.
No, go.
Okay, mute yourself now. Okay,
By mistake.
so just think about that. What emp tab is there, guys? Okay, emp tab is there. Now in the emp tab, what now? Emp tab, what is that? Just think about that. 10, and what is that? Record is there, and was just dummy, right? 2.2. What is that? 2.2. Okay, just think about that. This record, just dummy record I'm giving, guys. Okay, another one is what? 11 I'm taking, right? 11 I'm taking, and here what I'm taking now? B I'm taking, right? B I'm taking, and this is what? 2.2 only. Okay, leave it. Okay, this data, don't worry about that concept. Understand the concept. 11, 12 is there. 12, and take the C, right? Take the C, and what is that? 2.2 only. Okay, here another one is what? 12, 13 C, and D I'm taking, right? D I'm taking, this one also 3.3 point what? 3.3 is there, right? 3.3 is there. Okay. So okay, what is that? 14 I'm taking. 14 E I'm taking, what is that? E I'm taking 4.0. Again 14 I'm taking what? 15, right? I'm taking what? 15. Fine. Now 15 now. Okay, good. Now 15, what is that? 15 EF, right? EF, okay. So again, what is that? This is the data. Okay, these are the data is there in the database, right? In the database, I want to apply the pagination. I want to apply here. What is that now, guys? Pagination, right? So to expose our data here today we will learn what is that the console based, right? Console based we will see the data, and in the future whenever we will enter in what Spring Boot MVC, there we will implement in what application also, right, guys? We will see on the browser also. Okay, so fine now, guys. So this is what. Okay, so here what is that? Here what EID is there, right? EID is there. Here what name is there? Name is there. What is that? ESAL, just ESAL. This is the rows, columns are there, right? These are the columns are there. So okay, fine now, guys. So okay. So in this case, right? In this case, so I want to expose what is that page size, right? First we will specify the page size to implement what pagination. To implement what pagination, what we will do now? So no, I want only to expose what 3 record only on the browser. Okay, so what we will select the 3 record, right? This 3 record is called what? This 3 record is called what? We will programmer explicitly will do. What is that? This is the page size. Page what? Page, what is that size? This is the page size. How much page size is there? 3 page size is there, right? So I'm taking what? 3. So okay, fine. So how many? Again 3 is there, right? Again 3. This one will what expose in what? 1 page, and after then we will give what link to end user. Whenever end user will click on the second page, right? Then this data will expose it on that page, right? After then what is that? Page number, right? Which page number? Numbering. What is that? Come here. This is nothing but what, guys? These things is nothing but page number are there or not? Come on. See the under what is the page number? 2, right? We are there in the 2 page number. Come on.
Yes. We are seeing here. Yeah.
Okay, so fine now. So come here, right? Come here in the same the application, guys. Use the chat box. I'm not giving proper response. 2 to 3 people are giving. What you others people are? You people are listening. That's it. Otherwise I will stop it now, guys. Okay,
We are silent.
give the response. Okay, I need the response, then I can go ahead. Okay, if you don't need, okay, leave the session. No need it. Who will give the response? That those people can stay in the session. No need to do time pass here. Okay, okay, so fine now. Within the 1 minute meeting will end.